Fasten your seatbelts before takeoff and landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Infant seatbelts are available from the cabin crew. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. And if you would like to take a break from the action, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and visible to the cabin crew. For your safety, we recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. If oxygen is required, a mask will appear from above. It may be required to release the mask by pulling on the coloured flag marked pull. Pulling the mask towards you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may assist others. Please pay close attention and take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. The emergency exits are clearly marked and located as shown on the screen. Illuminated escape path strips will guide you to the exits. In case of emergency landing on water, the evacuation slides will serve as rafts. Please remember to remove footwear before using the slide. For your safety, we operate a non-smoking policy on board all our aircraft. Smoking in the toilet will activate a smoke alarm. Smoking on board the aircraft and tampering with the smoke detector are both criminal offences punishable by law. Now, your life jacket is either beside you, next to you, or underneath your seat. When instructed by the crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten it in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your